So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to wear a passa in less than 5 minutes, give or take. I know it looks really difficult and we often hire a hairstylist to fix that beautiful piece of jewelry on our hair. But worry not, I'm here to your rescue. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's set the mood. I'm going to change and wear something more appropriate for today's story. I'm super excited and I will be right back. Well, that didn't take long at all. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into it. So there are 5 things that you will need. First is a passa. I have 2 here. Let's see which one goes well with the outfit. This one is more simple and this one here matches better. What do you think? Right, so let's wear this today. Next you will need few tic tac pins, the smallest ones, and you know where to find them. Third is an eyelash glue. In case you don't have an eyelash glue, you can use double-sided sticky tape. You can purchase them at any stationery. And if you need an eyelash glue, this I got it from Amazon. It was just for ₹79 and I have provided the link in the description box below, so you can refer that. And finally you will need a comb, no surprise there, and a hair clip. Now you can just get any hair clip. This is not really relevant to your hairdo, so use any hair clip. So let's begin. First step, I'm going to take a portion of my hair from here. And now I'm gonna backcomb it. This step is actually very important as it adds extra volume to your hair. Now, using any hair clip, I'm gonna lock it here so that it is convenient and it does not get in the way of your hairstyle. Now, the second step and the most crucial step, take the passa and move it delicately to find the perfect position. See, there are no specific do's and don'ts here. Just adjust it according to your face. And once you're happy with the placement, use these tic tac pins to lock it on your hair. So once you're sure about the placement, be happy. Most of your hard work is over. Now let's remove this clip here and very gently bring the hairs back. Cover the hairpin here, the hairpin that we have used to pin the passa, and very gently keep it here. So this way, the hairpin that you have used to pin the passa is not showing. And you can use this tic tac pin or any other beautiful clips, and you can pin the hair here. Let's use another hairpin just to make sure that it's locked perfectly and it will not move. Now the passa should be at one position and should not be moving along with you. That just does not look neat and graceful. So let's use the eyelash glue now. You can either apply the glue on the back of your passa, or you can apply it here where you want the passa to stay put. So I'm doing it here because I find this more convenient. And now let's hold the passa here for some time. Once you're removing the passa, gently remove it so that you don't have any difficulty detaching it from your skin. And now it's done. Well, you can use any decorative hairpins to fix the passa, but I recommend go for the small and the simpler ones. That always looks more elegant and graceful. Well, that's all I had for today, and let me know what you feel about my way of wearing the passa, and if you know a better way to wear the passa, not to mention a quicker way, then please do leave your comments below. And that's all I have for today, and I'll meet you again next time. Khuda Hafiz.